They back. I got them early. But did Jordan just push off?
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes, huh?
What up, family? We back. Sneaker Notes. NBA Finals cooking. What y'all think? I told y'all Golden State in 4 or 5. But I think LeBron gonna do his thing and he gonna get one in Cleveland, man. But anyway, welcome to Sneaker Notes if this is new for you. All my loyal subscribers, what's up, family? We back. Another episode. Another early review. Where's DJ Khaled at?
Another one.
Exactly. Another one. It's another early review. We're going to review the Jordan 14 Last Shots, iconic sneaker. But before we get into that, you know what we got to do before we get into the review. We got to see what's on foot. So in that comment section below, I want you to comment what you want on foot, why you watch this video. We ain't here to judge. We just here to be a sneaker community and have that barbershop talk. We nosy. We want to see what each other rocking on foot. So in that comment section below, tell us what you want on foot. After you like, after you subscribe. What I got on foot today, I got on a nice blue. Let's see. Good sneaker, kind of slept on. It did sell out, but we don't talk about it no more. And that's weird for a Jordan 6. Usually Jordan 6 keep the conversation going, but we don't really talk about that sneaker too much. I don't know why. But that's the Jordan 6 UNCs. If you haven't checked out my off-white Jordan 1 UNC review, that's another early review. Go skip through the pages, you'll find that. But we're here to talk about the Jordan 14 Last Shots. And that was our iconic play. This is the 20th anniversary. I figure that's why they're coming out. Later on this year, we should be having the Candy Cane, which is the red and white 14s coming out also. I'm not gonna lie, the Jordan 14 Last Shots, it's not a sneaker that comes out a lot. I remember it coming out in 98, of course. And I think maybe one more time in the 2000s, but the sneaker hasn't dropped a lot, so that's a plus, because most Jordans that don't drop every other year still keep their value. Did Jordan push off on that shot though? He hit Russell with the crossover, he tapped him a little bit. Bang.
Game 7, Oakland Championship number 6. Michael against Russell, 12 seconds. 11, 10. Jordan to drive, hangs, fires, he scored!
But I tell you one thing, y'all know I'm a big Kobe fan, man. I think Jordan's 1A, I think Kobe's 1B, and I think you got LeBron at number 2. But if Jordan would have left with that crossover push off, there's no way we could even talk about anyone in his conversation. But since he came back as a wizard and you know all that other stuff that happened. But anyway, you got your Jordan 14 Last Shots. Size 10.5. Y'all know what that means. They belong to me. Now up top, Jordan. We've been getting this damn black and gold box for too damn long, man. Like, especially with the Last Shots, you would think that he would fix it up a little bit. You see with the Jeeters, he fixed it up a little bit. Like, we tired of this damn box, man. It was hot when it first came out, had your gold, The gold 23, but it's boring now, Jordan. I ain't gonna lie. You lucky this lid don't come on, because I'd have flung it. Old school Jordan 1 box that I'm sick and tired of, man. Like, Jordan, do something different with this box, man. Damn. But anyway, 10.5, they belong to me. Your regular white Jordan, paper with the 23 gold on it. But before we get into this, being that it's an early review, I'm gonna show y'all my address, man. These things came from Nike, man. Camera focusing? Yeah, these things came from Nike, man. No fakes here, ever, ever, ever. Nike even tried to send your boy some gift cards with no money on them, so you can upload them. They're trying to say it's for Father's Day or some shit. But back to the review. This is your Jordan 14 last shots. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all, man. Like the sneakers as iconic as the damn play, because I don't really like these sneakers, man. But like I said, every sneaker ain't for everybody, man. So you got your. Let me do one at a time so I can give y'all justice and you can really go through it. All right, so on your toe box is suede. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the suede is a little plush. I always hate the little Jordan man. I always hate the baby Jordan man. But right here, it's not that bad there. Got a skinny little tongue. Numeral numbers 14. You ain't have to pass math class to know that mean that. It comes with this white. I don't even know why they do this. I don't know, but it comes with this white tree. Get that out of here. Then it comes with your regular Jordan tree. Alright? Your Jordan tree should look like that, guys. And it comes with some more paper. Then when we get all the way down there, you got a big Jordan man in size 10.5. That means they belong to me. On your side, you got your shark teeth. I think that's not good material, man. I think that material is like rather cheap. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's not good material there. This leather, this is good leather though. Plush leather. Got that bounce back. Got your yellow Jordan symbol there, looks like Ferrari a little bit. Got your 23 on the back. Another Jordan symbol. And the inside is sort of just like the outside. Carbon fiber material right there. Shark teeth. Cheap material. You got your chrome on the tips of the shoestring. Jordan 14 last shots. The right side, just like the left side, same thing, nothing different. I mean, scale of 1 to 10, Jordan, you my guy, man. But taking the history away from the shoe, it's like a 6, man. I mean, only because it's a red and black Jordan, which we have so many red and black Jordans. And if I'm comparing it to that, it's a 5 or 6 for me, man. In that comment section below, let me know what y'all think. Is it height? Is the history better than the shoe? Is the history making this shoe like coppable? Because I'm not gonna lie, it's not one of my favorites, man. Iconic shoe, iconic story, the last shot, the push off on Russell, Utah, but I don't know, man. In that comment section below, let me know what you think about this shoe. Again, this is your Jordan 14 Last Shot early review. I think the release date is June 12th or 13 or 14. I don't know, but it's not today, and I got them here. Jordan 14 Last Shots. In that comment section below, let me know if y'all copy. Let me know if you're gonna just let it sit. Let me know if you think they're gonna sell out, period. Me, I think they're gonna sell out, but I think what Jordan's been doing lately, and it's no strange thing, everybody sees this. The Jordan sells out on Saturday, and then Monday you get a link for a restock, and then Tuesday you get a link for a restock, and then Wednesday you get a link for a restock. So what they doing is they putting out a little bit of sneakers Saturday morning, making people run crazy on their laptops, run to these stores, cop the sneaker. The sneaker sells out in an hour or two, and then we think it's sold out. Then the person who missed out on Sunday, they sad all day. And then Monday, what happens? A link, finish line, restock. Tuesday, champs, restock. Foot action, restock. You know, that's what they're doing. But that's the review on the Last Shot 14s. This Saturday, those are coming out next Saturday. But this Saturday, the Travis Scott 4s are finally coming out. The Cactus Jacks, they look like this. I ain't gonna lie, from just looking at the pictures, and I seen them in hand. Not one of my favorite ones neither, but I think Travis Scott music is dope. I love when Jordan give dope people a chance to make their own sneaker. So I'm gonna be in a run for them. They come out Saturday. Might get them tomorrow. But if I get them tomorrow, the video will be recorded tomorrow. And y'all see them early if y'all can know if y'all really want to go out on Saturday. But I already got a lot of phone calls, a lot of text messages. Phone vibrating right now. In-store raffle open for the Travis Scotts. It's crazy. A lot of people want them Travis Scotts, man. And right now on StockX, I told you I go to StockX first. StockX got them things for like $625 to $700. That's a no-go. You know, if it's over $500, I don't want it. I don't need it. But Travis Scott 4s this Saturday. I'm on them. I get a pair. I get right in front of this camera, and I'm show y'all how I look. But other than that, that was the review on the Last Shot 14s. The Cavs is down 2-0. I think by the time y'all see this video, it'll be 2-1. But who knows? Curry shooting out his mind. Durant falling back. Durant is like reserving himself. And Klay Thompson shooting out his mind. And nobody talks about Draymond Green a lot, man. He's a walking triple-double. Granted that it might be 10-10 and 11 or 11-10 and 9 sometimes. But that boy does everything on the court, man. So shout out to Draymond Green. Shout out to all my loyal subscribers. I didn't forget. I told y'all. Damn, these things are heavy. I told y'all I had 1,500 subscribers. I was giving out a pair of Crep cases. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do the giveaway. The box looks like this. Crep crates. It looks just like these ones I got right here. They don't come assembled. You have to assemble them yourself. But I'm shipping them to you free of charge because I wanted to get to 1,500 subscribers, and we did that. And I appreciate every one of you guys for doing that for me. So I'm just trying to figure out how to do the giveaway. I ain't no technical dude. Brooklyn street dude. I wish I could give it to all 2,500 of y'all, to be honest, man. But can't work that way. But I got 2 of them, so 2 of y'all gonna win them. And then after we find out how to do this giveaway, trust me, it's gonna be more, man. Sidebar, I do think Jordan pushed off, but he didn't have to. He crossed him so bad he was already open. Get rich.